Hello guys, this is Rituraj and welcome back to another episode of CE. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the top 5 cars which comes under 5 lakh rupees budget. Guys, if you want to buy a car under the budget of 5 lakhs, then guys you have reached the correct video, and guys please watch till end and let's begin the video without wasting the time. So guys, at numbers 1 comes the India's famous cars and the best selling cars. Guys, the car is the Maruti Suzuki Alto. Guys, this car's showroom price is 3.15 lakhs to 4.83 lakhs, and guys the fuel economy of this car is 22 to 32 kilometer. And guys, the horsepower of this car is 30 to 35 kilos, and the dimensions of the car is 3445 millimeter in length and 1490 millimeter is the width of the car, with 1475 millimeter is the height of the car. Guys, this is a small hatchback car, and the seating capacity is 5, and guys the engine is 0.80 liter 3-cylinder engine, and guys this car comes in 2 options. And guys, in the number 4th list comes our Datsun Radigo. Guys, this car has been, I think, has been discontinued, but guys I am telling in the information it may be continued also. Guys, the ex-showroom price of the car is 3.84 lakhs to 4.96 lakhs, and guys the fuel capacity of the car is 28 liters, and the carb weight is 740 kilos, and guys the dimension of this car is 3435 millimeter in length and 1575 millimeter in width, and with 1546 millimeter height. And guys, also this comes in 2 options, the petrol and CNG, and the manual also. Guys, the diesel option in this car has not been optioned. So guys, let's move to the next car. Guys, in the number 3 comes the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. Guys, this is a micro SUV car. Guys, this is small hatchback car, but the looks of this car has been changed and given to an SUV. Guys, the ex-showroom price of this car is 3.78 lakhs to 5.44 lakhs on road, and guys the fuel economy of this car is 21 to 31 kilometer per liter, and guys the seating capacity is 4 to 5 as it is a micro SUV, and guys the engine is 1 liter with 3-cylinder, and guys the transmission is 5-speed automatic, and also it comes in 5-speed manual. Guys, not the diesel option has been available in this car, only the petrol has been available in petrol, and CNG has been offered in this car. So guys, now let's move to the next car. Guys, in our next number in 2 comes the Datsun Go. And guys, Datsun Go is the one of the most powerful cars associated in our list in today's video. Guys, the ex-showroom price of this car is 4.3 lakhs, and guys to 6.51 lakhs. Guys, the top model is 6.51 lakhs, which is top of your budget, but guys you can easily buy the middle variant of this car. And guys, the seating capacity is 5, and the fuel economy is 19 to 20 kilometer per liter. Guys, the carb weight is 859 to 913 kg, and guys the dimension are 3788 millimeter in length, and 1636 millimeter is the width of the car, and the 1507 millimeter is the height of the car. So guys, in the next comes, and guys in the number 1 position comes the Renault Kwid. Guys, this is a subcompact car, and guys the price of this car is compared as 4.12 lakhs to 5.56 lakhs. Guys, the full tank capacity of this car is 28 liter, and the carb weight is 737 to 756 kilos, and guys the engine is 0.80 liter with 3-cylinder engine, and guys also there is an option of 1 liter 3-cylinder engines. Guys, the dimensions of this cars are 3731 millimeter and 1579 millimeter in width, and guys the 1474 millimeter is the height of the car, and guys it can fluctuate to 1490 millimeter. guys, these are the specs of the car, and guys, these are the top number 5 lists of the car that comes in under 5 lakhs. And guys, that's all for today's video. Guys, if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new in this video and new to my channel. So guys, I will meet you at the next video. Till then, good luck, take care and drive safe.